more than that.
Golf Alpha Charlie, cleared to cross by the overhead.
Cleared to pass up by the overhead, Golf Alpha Charlie. Wow. Yeah, wow. You don't do this every day? No. Okay. I think that's it.
Tatton Hill Radio, Golf Charlie Kilo, X-Ray Charlie.
Golf X-Ray Charlie, Tatton Hill Radio, pass your message.
Golf X-Ray Charlie, parked on the western apron, request radio check and airfield information.
Golf X-Ray Charlie, your readability is strength 5, runway 26, left hand with a QNH of 1013.
26, left hand, QNH 1013, Golf X-Ray Charlie.
Golf Lima Papa backtracking 26.
Golf Lima Papa, there's currently no reported traffic.
Tatton Hill Radio, Golf November India Alpha Charlie, ready for taxi.
Golf Alpha Charlie, Tatton Hill Radio, the runway in use is 26 with the left hand circuit, the QNH is 1013.
261013 Golf Alpha Charlie.
Golf Alpha Golf, downwind 26, position go.
Golf Oscar Golf Roger.
Golf November India Alpha Charlie, lining up runway 26.
Golf Alpha Charlie Roger, surface wind is estimated westerly at 10 knots, one aircraft still to clear.
Visual with aircraft. One stage, flaps. I'll give him a bit of time. See, are you ready? Yep, good to go. Gentle. Golf Alpha Charlie taking off.
Golf Alpha Charlie Roger.
Flaps up. Touch your wheels on.
Running altitude 6, and vacate the circuit to the west. We'll be changing frequency en route. Golf Oscar Golf, thank you.
Golf Oscar Golf Roger.
We're catching up on him rather quickly, whatever it is. You know what, let's see if I can get south.
100 feet, 1316.
Cool.
Golf Bravo India, Roger.
East Midlands radar, Golf November India Alpha Charlie, request on transit.
Golf November India Alpha Charlie, East Midlands radar standby. Select 4 Whiskey Romeo to left heading 300 degrees, descent altitude 2000 feet, clear out approach runway 27.
Left heading 300 degrees, descend altitude 2000, cleared island 27.
Yeah, I've got one.
Golf November India Alpha Charlie, East Midlands radar, squawk 4552, pass message.
4552, Golf Alpha Charlie. Golf November India Alpha Charlie, Sting S4, 2POB, Otherton to Coventry, VFR, currently overhead Belper, 2,200 feet on a QNH of 1013, request zone transit via your Trowell M1 VRP, south to your Markville VRP.
Golf Alpha Charlie, Roger, remain at South Control airspace for the time being, and in fact Golf November India Alpha Charlie, use full call sign, we've got a similar call sign on frequency. Remain at South Control airspace for the time being, it's a basic service, QNH 1012, I'll call you back for the transit shortly.
What does that remain outside, basic service, Golf Alpha Charlie?
Golf November India Alpha Charlie, QNH 1012. Golf Golf Delta Alpha Charlie, use full call sign, similar call sign on frequency.
Okay, Golf Alpha Delta Alpha Charlie.
Golf November India Alpha Charlie, Midlands radar.
Golf Alpha Charlie, could you repeat the squawk, please?
Golf November India Alpha Charlie, AFM, it's 4552, and the QNH is 1012.
4552, QNH 1012, Golf Alpha Charlie. 4552, that's it?
Golf Golf 86, It's got the inbound inside.
Golf 5. 5. 2.
East Midlands radar, Golf Bravo, India, Oscar Bravo for traffic service.
Golf Delta Alpha Charlie, Squawk, come security, free call Birmingham, bye.
We get to next flight.
That gets rid of that.
Golf November India Alpha Charlie, clear to transit East Midlands controlled airspace, routing 12 Markfield, but remain east of the M1 motorway, not above altitude 2,000 feet VFR.
Clear to control, transit controlled airspace via the 12 VRP down to your Markfield VRP, staying east of the M1, not below above 2,000 feet. Golf Alpha Charlie.
Golf Alpha Charlie, correct.
We can accelerate now. 142. Should do it.
Golf Victor's got the traffic inside and sound from Melbourne.
Golf Victor, you've got a primary contact in your 12 o'clock range, 5 miles, no height, possibly spurious, but keep a good look out.
Traffic on side, Golf Victor.
Golf November India Alpha Charlie, contact East Midlands Tower, frequency 124005.
Contact Tower 124005, Golf Alpha Charlie. East Midlands Tower, Golf November India Alpha Charlie, inbound.
Golf November India Alpha Charlie, hello. Continue towards the northern airfield boundary initially, but potentially do expect a hold.
Roger that, continue to northern airfield boundary and expect a hold, Golf Alpha Charlie.
Ethiopia 3769, ready for taxi.
Golf Charlie Whiskey, give way to the 777 leaving the eastern apron ahead of you.
777, ahead of us, Golf Charlie.
Ethiopian 3769, taxi Alpha 127, QNH 1012.
Alpha 1, runway 271012, Ethiopian 3769.
Mental, mate. It's absolutely mental. I can't believe it, isn't it? I can't believe it, to be honest.
Ethiopian 3769, runway 27, clear for takeoff, surface wind 270 degrees, 9 and up.
Clear for takeoff, runway 27, Ethiopian 3769.
Absolutely crazy it is, Roger. It's crazy, absolutely crazy, mate.
Beautiful day.
It is beautiful.
Golf Alpha Charlie, contact East Midlands radar 134180.
Contact radar 134180, Golf Alpha Charlie. Thank you very much.
134180, got it.
East Midlands radar, Golf November India Alpha Charlie.
Golf November India Alpha Charlie, East Midlands radar, leaving controlled airspace in 1 mile basic service, I'll leave it.
Leaving control to airspace 1 mile, basic service. Thank you very much, Golf Alpha Charlie.
Cool.
East Midlands radar, Golf November India Alpha Charlie. Request frequency change to Birmingham.
Golf November India Alpha Charlie, Squawk, come security and free call Birmingham 123980, bye bye.
Squawk on security 123.980. Thank you very much for your service, Golf Alpha Charlie. Should we head over to Halfpenny Green?
I can do if you want to. So my place is there. See where it says the lodge?
Yeah. Okay, so it's over here. Birmingham radar, Golf November India Alpha Charlie.
Golf November India Alpha Charlie, Birmingham radar, QNH Birmingham 1012, pass your message.
QNH 1012, Golf November India Alpha Charlie, Sting S4, 2POB, Otherton to Wolverhampton, Halfpenny Green, 2 miles south of Nuneaton, 2,400 feet on a QNH of 1012. Request a zone transit from your M6 VRP to your Frankly Service VRP.
Golf Alpha Charlie, Roger, layout control destination, call clear 402.
4042, I think he said.
4002?
0402.
0402.
0402, remain outside Golf Papa Charlie. Well done.
0402.
Golf Mike Hotel, descend flight level 100.
040, well done, mate.
Runway 71918 miles, descend to altitude 4,000 feet.
I know, 719.
They're too bloody quick with it, that's the trouble.
Golf November India Alpha Charlie, identified basic service outside, clear to enter controlled airspace VFR, nautical altitude 2,000 feet, present position to the eastern aerodrome boundary.
Clear to enter airspace to the north of the boundary, not above 2,000 feet, Golf Papa Charlie from present position.
Golf Papa Charlie, that's to the eastern aerodrome boundary now.
Eastern aerodrome boundary, Golf Papa Charlie.
Golf Papa Charlie, report visual with the aerodrome.
Report visual with the aerodrome, Golf Papa Charlie.
Golf Oscar Bravo on leaving controlled airspace, you'll get basic service.
Basic service outside, upon leaving Golf Oscar Bravo.
I believe he said not above 2,000, didn't he?
Yeah.
Yep.
Charlie.
Golf Alpha Charlie, hold at the eastern aerodrome boundary, contact tower 118.305.
Hold at the eastern boundary, contact tower 118.0305, Golf Papa Charlie.
So yep, on a hold here. 118304.
Birmingham Tower, Golf November India Alpha Charlie.
Golf November India Alpha Charlie, Birmingham Tower, continue to the eastern aerodrome boundary.
Continue to the eastern boundary, Golf Papa Charlie.
Tower scan 7 rear airborne and altitude is 5,000.
Golf Papa Charlie approaching the eastern boundary.
Golf Alpha Charlie, roger.
Could have done with a bit more than that.
Golf Alpha Charlie, cleared to cross by the overhead.
Clear to pass up by the overhead, Golf Papa Charlie. Wow.
Yeah, wow. You don't do this every day.
No,
High now, 719er.
can you get the airliner on? Make sure it's recording. Zoom in on the airliner. Going to zoom in on Birmingham City Centre. T's and P's are all in the green. You've done really well.
We got a lot, mate, but yeah, it's very bumpy.
Yeah.
But yeah, we got some decent video.
Brilliant. Okay, just got to concentrate because of the terrain.
Yeah, yeah.
We're getting a lot of buffet, but just got to keep an eye on the height, don't bust the sight, so...
We've got the pad open again if we need to make a note of it.
Golf Alpha Charlie, contact radar 123.980.
Contact 123.980, thank you very much, Golf Alpha Charlie.
Hotel, resume your own navigation, remaining outside.
Navigation. Remain outside.
Yeah, we'll do.
Birmingham radar, Golf November India Alpha Charlie.
Golf November India Alpha Charlie, Birmingham radar, hello again. Radio control service inside, QNH 1012.
QNH 102, radar service inside, Golf Alpha Charlie.
1012.
Cannock 1204, descent final 70.
Descent final 70, check 1204.
I've always wanted to do this. I didn't think I'd do East Midlands and this at the same day. and get a transit both times.
Hello again, Roger.
Oh, thank you, mate. Brilliant day. Brilliant day. The weather's looking a bit...
Next one, Bravo Hotel, C165.
Hotel fully established.
Next one, Bravo Hotel.
Decimal 305, 71 Bravo Hotel.
Try and drop below that if we can.
Yeah.
Golf Mike Hotel, traffic in your 12 o'clock, right to left, 7 miles, altitude 2,000 feet indicating.
East Midlands radar, the Golf November India Alpha Charlie. Is there any chance we could route to the Hilton Park VRP just due to weather to the west?
Golf Alpha Charlie, A firm, you can route to Hilton Park VRP.
Roger that, confirm, we'll route to Hilton Park, Golf Alpha Charlie.
How do you can see the... Where can you see the...
Rhino 30, uniform Birmingham radar, afternoon, vector line, left approach runway 33, information tango.
They've given us permission.
Cannock 1204, turn left heading 065.
St Cloud.
065, Shanks 1204.
I just wondered where you can see the VRPs on... Where do you know the Birmingham VRPs are?
Can I tell you when we get there?
Yeah.
Golf Mike Hotel.
Can you film this?
Yeah, of course.
This is something we don't get to do for the Birmingham City Centre.
Rhino 30, uniform.
Be a bit bumpy through this cloud here, so just be aware. Gonna get some turbulence here.
Stop the video for a second. There's a good bit of video, that, mate.
Brilliant. Doesn't lose speed quick, this. Full flaps.
Fancy 70.
Feels better. That's more like it.
And 60.
The ground's still hard.
Yeah, it is. Well done, mate. That was a nice landing.
Thank you very much.